Yes, children. We have one question with us that says, prove that the perpendicular at the point of perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. I'm reading it again. We are given, prove that perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent. Suppose this is the tangent, P is the point of contact. We are given a circle, let us say with center O, and there is a perpendicular drawn at the point of contact. There is a perpendicular drawn at the point of contact. We have to show that this perpendicular, if extended, must pass through the center. I'm reading the question again. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Getting my point, children? That we are given a tangent point of contact and a perpendicular at point of contact. We have to show that this perpendicular, if extended, must pass through the center. Okay? Is the question clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see how we are going to prove. We have to prove that this is passing through O, but we will assume it on contrary. What we will say let it doesn't pass through the center. We will say let it does not pass through the center. Now, if it does not pass through the center, means it will pass through some another point, let's say O dash. देखो ना, एक लाइन है, अगर एक इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से पास नहीं कर रही, तो it will pass through some another point, but a line will be passing through many points, right? So if it is not passing through O, let it be passing through some point O dash, such that angle O dash PY is equal to 90. Getting my point, children? I am saying, let us suppose this is not passing through center. Now, if it is not passing through center, it must be passing through some another point, let's say O dash PY. Okay? Such that this is 90 because being perpendicular. But we know by theorem that radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So suppose हमारा center यहाँ पे, so by the theorem, if I join OP is radius, and so it must be perpendicular. I am saying OPY is equal to 90 degree, and this is a fact because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Just see. I am saying O dash PY is equal to 90 by our assumption that it is passing through not from center but some other point. But OPY is 90 degree. It's a fact as radius has to be perpendicular to tangent. And children, this is possible only when what? आप कह रहे हो क्या आपके पास कह रहे हो ये भी 90 है, आप कह रहे हो ये भी 90 है. This is possible only when these 2 points are what?
Same,
O and O
equal
dash
or
are
same.
It is possible only when O and O dash are same, otherwise not. So what we assume that it is not passing through center was wrong thing, and hence this perpendicular must pass through the center. This perpendicular must pass through the center. Getting my point, children?
Ma'am, please
It is
repeat the
a,
last sentence, what you said.
I am saying we are saying that it is not passing through center. So that means it must be passing through some another point. Let that point be O dash P. So O dash PY is 90 degree because of our assumption. We assume that it is passing through that point. But we know that center and perpendicular point of contact when joined becomes radius, and radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So OPY is 90 degree, which is effect. तो आप कह रहे हो ये P है, ये Y है, and this O dash is 90 and this O is also 90, which is not possible. Or in another words, it is possible only when O dash and O are same point. है ना? एक बेस पे एक ही तो 90 होगा ना बेटा. You cannot have two different 90 degrees here. And this is happening because we assumed the wrong thing. And what was the wrong thing? That P is not passing through O. This perpendicular is not passing through center. Hence, it must pass through the center. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Devanshu, you may please stop.